Hey guys, Atlanta Turnkey Construction here. I would like to offer you to exchange the wooden construction with the metal construction. This is the galvanized steel, 16 gauge. This is what I can build for you. Instead of the wooden frame, I can do the metal frame. Then the galvanized steel, which will never rust, will never give you any problem with the water damage. No problem with the fast fall and anything like that. So it will stay forever. In the years, it's sturdy, it's always straight, it's always straight. Give me a call and we can discuss what you want. This is Andrew with